Welcome everybody back to my playthrough of a Hat in Time. Now, in the last episode, we cleared some timers and began Subcon Forest. Now, I don't know why I didn't do this last episode, but basically we need to clear the Subcon well to get the item that we need to continue chapter 2, which I don't know why I didn't do this last episode. I guess I was just tired. Thank you. And oh wait, no. Yeah, when you touch this purple stuff, is it mud? These hands come out to try and reach you, and basically you need to make it to a stable platform to make them stop. Okay. Yarn. No. Okay, well, this should be easy. No. Yeah, this should be really easy. And why did I do that? Okay, here we go. First, we need to not go there. Right, sprint hat. Okay, yeah. Oh no. What are we going to do? And here it is, the hookshot badge. A really needed item that is literally required to beat the game. Because even if you skip chapter 2, you won't have enough timepieces to get to the finale, and Alpine Skylines is basically impossible without the hook shot badge. Yeah. So basically it's a required item. Oh, and also in the finale you need it, so there's that. Anyways, it is time to speedrun. Except not, because I'm stupid. Yeah, didn't even need the ladder. Don't say anything. I literally clicked it, but okay. Up. You. Oh, that was Rift Token. How many do I have again? Wait, where are my items again? whatever. Bye. Bye, guys. Up. Did okay, good, they respawn. Yay, we did it. Queen the Sub-Conwell contract complete. Oh, we just... Yeah, I know we can go to Upland Skylines, but first, before actually completing chapter 2, we're not gonna do that in this episode. I wanna do one more timepiece here. Queen Vanessa's Manor. Yeah. Thanks for the information. Oh, Snatcher. Yes. Let's see. No. Oh, well, I mean, for now it doesn't matter. What? How is a boss fight not a okay, whatever. Thanks, Gary. Karaoke. Wait, no. No. Okay, now for the soda hot part. I say soda and then quit on my first try. Hello there. How are you? Thanks for the heart bonds. Um, I'm not gonna go in there yet. Is there anything here? No. Okay. Well, anyways. Oh, okay then. I'm still at to use the dweller's mask. Okay. Cool. Yarn. Shut up, dramatic thunder. Now, I could go into that door. Or, I could... skip the entire level. Yeah. You can do that. That's also intended, by the way. But anyways, with that done, now we're gonna finish chapter 2. Let's go. Wait. You can start timers from... How did I not know this? Okay, so I didn't know that you can go back to timers by clicking on them on the telescope. So, telescope menu, how this... Anyways, first of all, let's do Train Rush. Because it's my favorite stage.
Go on in. We're getting ready to shoot the biggest action movie in Perm history. The movie is gonna be the bomb. I mean bomb in the good way, picnic.
Yeah. Cool conductor. Very cool. Yeah, I know. And that's 200, okay.
Alright, lassie. Listen up. I have some bad news.
Oh.
That lever you just pulled, it starts the train self-destruct sequence, and that ain't no joke. It'll blow up. I need a movie with some real intense action. So that's what we're gonna do. The train's gonna blow in a few minutes. But you can save us all, lassie. Get to the switch at the front of
Okay, very cool. Yeah, no, that's very cool. How about I don't correct any, hmm, yeah, okay, cool. Also, if I remember correctly, you get a bonus for how much time you have left. So, yeah. Pa 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 pa. I love this song. Pa 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 pa. Okay, gotta just platform from here. And I could have grabbed onto that. Okay. Ash, I think I screwed up. Wait, no. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, good. Huh, I didn't get hit that time. Yeah, for some reason I always get hit there. Well, now I got hit. Uh, can I? One minute until self-destruct. Hello there, conductor. How are you? Oh, I need to stop the train? I mean, sure.
Oh, you nailed it! And in time! Look at all this raw footage we got! Look at how you're running for dear life!
I think he's crazy.
Oh, what? We did it in the name of cinematography and to beat that no good DJ Cruz. I bet he won't be able to make half the movie we just made. Alright, here, take one of these, thingamajigs you like. You deserve it.
Thanks, conductor. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty certain that DJ Go's gonna win. Finale. One more act. The big parade. Let's do this. Huh. Wait, then what other movie were we recording? Oh, so they like record two movies and then critics rate them and like combine the scores? I never really thought about that. Yay.
You look great, darling. Don't worry, this movie is really easy. Keep moving around and the fans will follow you. Just don't bump into them.
Okay.
Keep an eye out for goodies. The audience loves a good parade. We're gonna throw treats your way. Hear them.
Cool.
The parade lasts a while. Nothing you can do to speed it up. We'll let you know once we've got enough footage. Don't lose spirit. Good luck, darling.
Okay, so now we basically have to run around like idiots, I guess. Oh, thank you. And there's really nothing I can comment on about. I guess our goal is to collect as many DJ Grooves tokens as we can. Wait, no. Ah, damn it. Yeah, no, that's cool. Oh, right, they also drop harpoons. Yeah. That's cool. Oh, okay. Yeah, sure can do Penguin Metaton. I mean, the symmetries between them are pretty obvious. DJ Grooves is literally just Penguin Metaton, I swear. And okay, yeah. Give me the harpoon. Wait, where is it? Oh, there it is. And I just missed that harpoon. That's cool. Oh, very good use of a harpoon. No. Okay, yeah. I'm very good at this game, I swear. Also, the reason I haven't made any videos lately, aside from that music video that I literally did in 5 minutes, is because I've been busy lately. And I've been traveling to places with family and stuff. Nice warp glitch there. Yeah, but anyways.
Needs more action. Darling, turn on the cannons for the big fireworks show.
Thanks for interrupting me, DJ Grooves. Yeah, but like I was saying, until like August, I'm gonna be making videos regularly again. So like, I'm gonna try every day, and then try and upload every day. And then for August, I'm gonna try pre-recording some videos. So I'm gonna say like 5 videos in August. I mean, in the 2 weeks that I will be gone, you can expect like 5 videos. But I mean, we will see. We will see how it turns out. Okay, it's almost done, so I'm gonna go here on the middle. Okay. Uh, a nice 1,000 points around. And also we unlocked Yakuza Metro. Know what, I think I'm gonna switch the eyesight actually back. This one, I know that this is more rare, but I don't care. This one is cute. It has cat ears. Time rift detected. Where? Oh, okay, yeah. That's gonna be easy. Let's just do it real quick before doing the finale, so... Up. Okay, so... It's gonna be somewhere here. There it is. Yep. It would be good if I made it in alive. The moon. Pop. Alright, I forgot. We have the bandwagon following us. And for some reason I cannot rotate the camera there. Why did I do that? On another note, I finally decided to watch Mitchell's versus the Machines, and oh my god, that movie is great. Like, I genuinely recommend it. It's actually funny, and it shows that Sony is going in the right direction with movies. Bye guys. Yeah, they actually do reach pretty fast. I don't want to give any spoilers for the movie so that y'all can just experience it yourself, but some scenes are actually made me laugh out loud, like loud and clear. That's all you need to know. But then again, my humor is below average, and by that I mean it's trash. my humor is trash. But whatever. Thank God. Now, it would be pretty great if I didn't die. Oh yeah, okay, I guess this is like a minor spoiler, but it isn't just one of those movies that like outright state technology bad. Hehe. Oh my god. Yes, yes, yes. Dino hack. Dino hack. Yeah, I get it. This is the cutest. My voice went away there. Anyways, it is time for the finale. His dancing is kinda obnoxious. You sure you want him to win? Yeah, I'm sure. Hello.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. You secured our victory. We won the annual Bird Award trophy. The conductor is probably awfully sour from his second loss ever. But don't worry, he'll come around. Anyway, we're all done here. No more movies until next year. Since you're so eager to get your name known, you can take my final movie prop as your last movie star moment.
Oh, thank you, DJ Goose.
What, you were expecting something crazy to happen? Nonsense, darling. Nonsense.
Oh, thanks, DJ Goose. Wait, that sounded different. Hmm. Well, I'm sure it's nothing. Huh? Oh. Oh my goodness. Uh, oh my god. I totally didn't expect this. Act 1. Deadbird Studio? Question mark? Uh, that's kinda creepy. Also, who's sending this message? Like, it clearly isn't conductor, because if we get conductor to win, then we get the same message. It doesn't even sound different. So, okay. Wait, nope. I'm being stupid again. Hello there. For a second I thought that was nice. Oh, so now I want to land on that. Okay, cool. Also we... Okay, but yeah, now I know you can go there. But first... How do I get to that again? Pretty sure I need to go up to the roof. Oh, there's a platform, obviously. So we need as many yarn as we can get for a hat waiter that requires 32 yarn. Yeah. Act 6 Award Ceremony. For real this time. Also, just look at those stitches on the dino head. It's cute. And by stitches, I mean buttons. What am I even thinking? Brain, you wet me down sometimes. Up, up. Well, let's do this. Why couldn't I have gotten up there last time? Okay. Yeah, obviously there's glass there. Alright. Wait. Oh, there's a hole there. Hook shot. Hello. Oh, it's a rift token. Thought it was yarn, but okay. What? Also, the second time that you do this stage, like if you decide to go through it for a second time, then there won't be any sound. And by sound I mean by the directors. Yeah. Wait, what? Let's not mess this up again. Thank you again for the boxes there. I noticed those before. I just wanted to show off. Yeah. Thank God. Oh, hello. Ways you never heard of. The amount of bird puns in their title is staggering. Of course. Oh, hello. Up. Wait, can you like... Okay, for some reason you can't run up this box. Whatever. The label reads red herring. This box reads, oh, you widow hmm. Wait, that. Oh. Made it. Oh, wait, there's a camera. Almost didn't notice that. I could have run into it. Okay, wait. And for some reason, this decides to reset my gosh darn camera. Yeah, no, that's cool. Then that's cool. Wait, and if I do it like this, and it still resets my camera. Okay, yeah, no. Ah, okay, good. Wait, what now? I don't need to go. Oh, here you are. There it is. Hello. Pawns. I don't get anything for it, but thanks. Okay, so it sure would be great if I actually knew where to go and didn't stupidly run into cameras. Thanks, DJ Goose. The library's ticking clock. Think of one being advanced and shiver. Puns. Oh. I like how it plays the same sound effect regardless of the crowd. Oh no! Ah, great. And actually, yeah, I can just... Cool. cool. That's cool. That's solid. That's solid. Wait, where am I supposed to go? I mean, I know up there, but how? Oh. Oh. Okay. Next stage, I guess. I mean, let's just run past these. Wow, look at all these trophies. Funky. Deadbird Studio Production. Direct J. Cruz. This one doesn't even have a title. Oh wait, yes. It's Picture Perfect. Deadbird Studios. Directed by DJ Goose, starring some girl. The Big Parade. The Big Parade director, yeah. Starring DJ Goose, girl, and some birds. Wait, actually, this I don't think conductor is the same things, right? Yeah, no, wait. It strikes you that this might be the gaudiest, most excessive thing that you have ever seen. That is an easy way to take it with you. Their shame. For shame. Yeah, thanks. Head kid smells. Mustache girl was here. Thanks, mustache girl. Thanks for that. Oh wait, here are the conductors' movies. Once Upon a Time, on the Science Express. Suppose this came out pretty great. Though it occurs to you never gave them permission to use their image in marketing. Oh my god, he's right. Actually, you don't signing a contract for anything here, or even giving them any of your details. It's possible you ain't getting paid for these movies. Damn it! Oh, Twist, we got the timepieces, I guess, as payment. Let's go then. Chat Act 6 award ceremony. This looks great. 20 winners. Oh, 20 grooves.
Look who we've got here, darling. I guess you found my little secret, huh? This last timepiece is all for me, darling. If you want it, well, I guess you just gotta come and get it.
Fine. Come here. And immediately got damage. That's cool. I know I'm gonna do well in this boss fight.
Here we go!
Oh right, he only jumps once. I'm used to the EX version. Also, during the EX fight I couldn't really heal DJ Ghost, so yeah. What? What did he say? Also, this doesn't make sense. How does photos would inflict damage? I mean, this kinda makes sense that these are these shockwaves, they're like really big photos, but how do these photos that have knives in them, do damage?
Ladies and
How could you do this to me? Hello? Oh. Ooh, heart to heart. Oh, okay.
ever since you arrived on this planet, these timepieces have followed us. Now, I can understand you wanted to conquer the world with pirates. But did you know they allow for you to ride the
Yes.
With one timepiece, I could reclaim all the trophies that belong to me, darling. Every single trophy I've won. I can't prove the
Uh,
title to one
oops.
but the conductor has been manipulating everything to make sure I do.
Okay.
Made one timepiece fix years of cheating and fraud. Can you spare me just one timepiece, darling?
Nope.
Darling, you're so persistently selfish. I've brought you a star. All I ask in return is a single timepiece. But you won't share.
Bro, it's mine, first of all. Second of all, I'm not getting paid for these movies. Unless you count the timepieces as payments, so no, I won't share.
If you want this timepiece back so bad, come and get it.
What? Oh, shit.
Remember this bomb, darling? I stole it from the conductor's movie set. And now, it'll be your demise.
Ah, shit. Oh, he throws saws now. Okay. Now check you out real closely. Conductor. Uh, good, I guess. If you could do it like real fast, that would be real nice. Yeah. Okay, I think like one more attack. Also, conductor, what are you even doing? Conductor, is it ready? Okay, good, cool. Wait, that's not how bombs work. Pa 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 pa. Oh, come on, that's just not fair. I hate you too. I hate you too, Penguin Metaton. Bad. Anyways, that's gonna be it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, all that stuff. Okay, bye.